We're going to look today into pregnancy-safe plank variations, side planks, 4 levels of difficulty, reverse planks, 2 levels of difficulty, and we're going to wrap everything up with all four variations. Before we begin, let's just warm up a little bit. Gentle hip sways, forward and back, gentle circle hip sways. And I just want to put it out there that the planks are not essential during the pregnancy. It's just optional. If you want to focus on core exercises, I'm going to show you safe variations. Side plank, this is the easiest one. Hip is still touching the floor. Let's make sure your elbow is under the shoulder. For the free arm, we can do few options. Here I show you rotations. Make sure rotation was happening in the upper body only. We can do a little bit of Cleopatra, Pilates move, looking at your palm, up and down, focusing on the stretch. Moving to the next variation, harder on the knee. Shoulders still on top of the elbow. Rotations happening in the upper body in the rib cage only. Hips are very stable. And stretch up and over, looking at your palm. Now, next level. Third one, even harder. We're going to go to full side plank. For upper body, I'm showing same variation with the rotation of thoracic spine, your upper spine, and with a nice lateral side stretch. Don't forget to do, if you're following the same pace, don't forget to do other side as well. We're going to go to fourth level. No longer on the elbow, straight arm. This is the hardest one. And I don't encourage to push yourself over the limit, especially on the third trimester. Go for this option only if you have been doing planks before the pregnancy and you feel comfortable, if your wrist is not in pain. And this is the really challenging one. We're going to go to reverse planks. For reverse planks, I want to show you 2. First one will be on the elbow, easier one. For this, you may want to consider to put yoga blocks or maybe few blocks under each elbow. Make sure whatever you put under the elbow is stable. That will give slightly more space. On exhale, I'm pushing glutes up. Glutes are engaged. Make sure your neck is not overextending and the spine is in neutral, straight position. We're going to go to second harder variation, full arms. Aiming for truly tabletop position. Imagine you're like a table, in our case, table with a little bit bump, a round table, but you got the idea. Trying to push glutes on exhale and aiming for the straight line from crown of the head to your tailbone. Now, one final option for planks in pregnancy is all fours. Here there are a lot of variations. Make sure your spine is neutral. The easiest one will be moving your arm up and down. Then we can add a leg movement, bringing your leg up and down. And the most challenging one will be at the same time, arm and leg. Again, I encourage you to listen to your body. If you feel slightly unstable, wobbly, or if you feel dizzy, don't push, don't do both sides at the same time. Just go one after another. The most important part, hips are stable. If you want to progress to most challenging, you can move your leg and arm to the sides at the same time. Here there is a lot of options. You can do leg circles, arm circles. Just watch out that the spine doesn't go to overextended mode.